want to show you this puzzle. I got it from a private auction. Let's open it. Okay, these are two Chinese magic books, and this is the similar to the Tabel course series in Chinese. This series have 7 books, and this is the number 5, and this is number 3. Oh, and this one, it looks pretty old, and it's almost fallen apart. And I'm going to show you a few pages in the book, but I'm not going to open it. I will have to put it on the table because it's very fragile. The pages are very thin. I have to handle it with care. And the next one is, this is a German one, the Mysterium des Orients. This is also quite old. It's almost 100 years now. Let me show you the books on the table. These are the 2 from the series of 7, and this is number 3. As you can see, this is from the era of communism in China. Those graphics look very... You can see there's a stamp on with 1955. This is actually correct. The book was released in 1955, and I have bookmarked some pages. Maybe it's interesting to... You can see this is 1955, how a magician in China looks like. And here is the trick with the card throwing on the glass window. And there's some small tricks and rope tricks. The next one looks like more with illusion stuff, and you can see the cover. There's a big box here, and there's a chopper, arm chopper. It's also boxes stuff. And here is a big illusion, make someone disappear. Okay, these are number 3 and number 5, and the other are still missing. The next one is this one. It's a German magic book, and the owner has put an extra cover here, so the original cover is here. You can see very classic, just 2 colors or 3 colors printing. The book is called The Mysterium des Orients von Conradi. You open it here, it's by Conradi, you can see it. It's a little bit older, this one. Its release date is 1923. It's almost 100 years now, and you can see it's basically about all the Chinese, and you can see they are all Asian style Japanese pictures, and the linking ring tricks, of course you must have it in the Asian magic. And here is the tricks, and I just show you some interesting pages here with all the Chinese pictures. And this one is a little bit more interesting. This looks like Westerner than the Chinese. And at the back of the book there are also stage illusion. And this one is bounded with another book. There's the second one. So the first one has 64 pages. And this is the second one. Magische Phänomene. Neueste Zaubertricks für Salon und Bühne. It's also by Conradi. This one hasn't got a publishing date, and you can see start with page 1 again. I have to be very careful. The pages are fragile. And this one is also some normal small stage checks. And you can see there's also with the oriental pictures. It's just, and at the back there's also a little bit stage illusion. And this one has only 32 pages, and the table of contents is at the back. That's all about the 2 German books. This is the Chinese magic book. And based on the date here, it's over 100 years now. It's 103 years. And let me show you the table of contents. It's interesting that it's printed on one side only, and the paper is folded. I have to be very careful because, yes, as you can see, the paper is printed on one side and it's folded as 2. And at the beginning I didn't know. I thought there are 2 pages stuck together, and I separated the 2 pages, and I regret it's nothing in there. It's basically one piece of paper folded, printed on one side. The paper is very fragile. I have to be very careful. So I already bookmarked some pages I want to show you. And here is the traditional Chinese linking ring. It's interesting that it's only shown on one page. Basically, that's all about linking rings. Not more explanation, only in few sentences. And the next one I want to show you is the fan here. I think everyone knows this trick. The broken fan. And next one. That's interesting. I thought there's something with the puppet. I'm not too sure. And there's also something about juggling here. And the last one I want to show you, I'm not too sure. I haven't gone through the details. It looked like something with the voodoo stuff. There's a lot of things here. And it's very interesting that all the tricks are only with very short explanations. Yeah, that's the Chinese book, over 100 years old. If you want to know more about the books, and post your question in the comments, I will try to answer your question. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.